Hi there! Welcome to our channel. Learning languages by listening and practicing. Let's start. Scenario 1. Discussing a recent match.
Hey Mike, did you catch the English Premier League game last night?
Oh, absolutely. It was intense. Arsenal and Manchester United gave us quite a show.
Right. The first half was so evenly matched. I thought Arsenal had the upper hand with that early goal.
Yeah, but then Manchester United came back strong in the second half. That penalty kick by Rashford was a game-changer.
It kept me on the edge of my seat. And did you see that save by the Arsenal goalkeeper in the last minutes? Unbelievable.
Oh, that was incredible. The match ended in a draw, but the energy and skill displayed were top-notch.
Definitely. It's why I love the Premier League. You never know what's going to happen. Who's your favorite player from that match?
I have to say Bruno Fernandes. His passing and vision on the field are exceptional.
Agreed. His creativity is unmatched. Can't wait to see how the rest of the season unfolds.
Scenario 2. Fantasy football banter.
Hey Sam, how's your fantasy football team doing in the English Premier League?
Oh, don't remind me. I had high hopes, but some of my key players got injured, and my points took a nosedive.
That's tough luck. Injuries can really mess up your strategy. Who's been your standout player so far?
Surprisingly, it's been Patrick Bamford from Leeds United. He's been scoring consistently and racking up points for my team.
Nice pick. I went with Salah as my captain last week, and he delivered big time with those goals for Liverpool.
Salah is a fantasy football gem. His goal-scoring record is impressive. I need to reconsider my team's strategy.
It's a long season. There's plenty of time to make up ground. Keep an eye on upcoming fixtures and make strategic transfers.
You're right. I'll bounce back next week. Good luck with your team.
Scenario 3. Planning to attend a match.
Hey Emily, I heard there's a big English Premier League match coming up this weekend. Are you planning to go?
Absolutely. I've been waiting for this. Chelsea is playing against Tottenham, and I managed to snag tickets.
That's awesome. The atmosphere at the stadium must be incredible during such matches.
It really is. The rivalry between Chelsea and Tottenham always makes for an intense game. Plus, being in the stands with passionate fans adds to the excitement.
I envy you. I've never been to a live Premier League match. How did you get the tickets?
I signed up for the club membership, and they offered early access to tickets. It's a great way to secure seats for the big games.
I'll have to consider that for the next season. Enjoy the match and soak in the energy of the crowd.
Thanks, Chris. I'll be cheering for Chelsea. Maybe next time we can catch a match together.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.